Today we are going to show you how to use two different kinds of pullers with the Milwaukee ForceLogic. We are using the 6-ton model ForceLogic to pull a uDL series die set. Now, the stud that Milwaukee gives you won't work with our die set because it doesn't have the flat on one side needed to pull it properly. When you ordered our die set, you may have received this uDL 750 puller, a manual puller. I say manual because it was designed to be used with a wrench where the nut is going to be cranked down, creating a linear pull with a spacer collar and a bearing to make it easier for you, and then collapse everything together. We'll show you that first with your pre-existing uDL 750 puller and how to use it with the Milwaukee ForceLogic 6-ton puller. This is how you do it. Take off the 3/4 16 nut, threading this into your tool. Notice that we've taken off the ball pull collar and the snap-on collar from the ForceLogic puller. We're not using any of the Milwaukee attachments with the uDL 750 puller. We're going to thread this in, making sure not to cross thread, and you want to thread it in until it's seated. Next, we'll have our base. We're going to find the flat on the pull stud right here. We're going to line the base up and place it down. Next, we're going to drill our pilot hole, slightly larger than a 3/4 inch hole, into your panel. We're going to push the stud through the hole. We're going to take our punch on the other side and again find the flat, which is on the bottom here, and make contact. You have a 1/2 flange nut that you're going to thread on. This is the same nut that came with your uDL 750 puller originally. The only thing we've taken off is the 3/4 inch 16 hex nut. I'm going to do an air punch here so you can see the full distance of travel of this. We'll pull the punch up. As I operate the tool, you'll see where it'll pull the punch all the way into the base. So it's now basically completed the punch, and we just simply extend it back out, releasing the pressure to take off the 1/2 nut. Pull your punch out, shake out your slug, or if it's stuck in there, pull your base off, push it from the back side to release the slug that you just cut, and you're done. Now we'll show you how to use the newer stud, our uDL 750M B pull stud. Again, we had our 3/4 16 nut here originally when it was shipped to you. So that's probably how your kit looks right now with the uDL 750 puller that you received from us initially. As you crank this nut down with a wrench, it brings the base closer to the punch, completing the punch. Now, we've come up with this, which uses the same nut that you have on this end, which is a 1/2, and with this stud is a lot shorter than the original uDL 750 stud shown on your right as you're viewing. The way this works is we place Milwaukee's ball pull adapter coupler, then their spacer collar, which just snaps on. Now we're going to take this here and thread it right onto this 3/4 16 end, then tighten down, and then we would assemble our base onto that. Then we're going to push it through the material, put our punch on here, secure it with a 1/2 flange nut just like we did earlier, and then all we do is take our ForceLogic tool, line it up with the ball pull. So as I operate the tool, it completes the punch that way. We release it, take off the 1/2 flange nut. For this matter, we could even do it like this, take the whole unit out and just remove the parts that'll shake the slug out. So by using the uDL 750 MB puller, we are eliminating the need for your original uDL 750 puller, but both pullers are compatible with the Milwaukee ForceLogic tools. Thank you for watching.